I was working at Alitalia and I would go to a cafe in Hamilton Square or Hamilton Place. And I went to the cafe and there he was. I didn't notice him, but he noticed me. And I had hiccups. And he came and brought a glass of water and a piece of bread. He had asked for a piece of bread. And my hiccups went gradually. And then I went, and he didn't talk to me. But after about 2 months, I went to the cafe, and the woman came running. She said, "There's a man who keeps coming, and you were there when you had hiccups." And he said, "There's his number." And he would like you to call him. And so I called him. And the thing was, afterwards, I heard from him, or from her, not from him, that he told her he would give her a big present if she found me.